What is Agentic AI? Meet Emma. Emma runs a small online clothing business from home. Every morning, she opens her laptop and sees the same problem. Customer messages are waiting, social media posts are pending, and sales reports need checking. Product offers have to be planned, emails need to be written, and website updates are still incomplete. At first, Emma thought normal AI would solve everything. So she opened an AI chatbot and asked, "How can I increase my sales this weekend?" The AI gave her a good answer. It told her to run discounts, post on social media, send emails, and promote her best-selling products. Emma liked the answer, but there was one problem. She still had to do all the work herself. She had to check which products were selling. She had to write the emails. She had to create captions. She had to plan the offer. She had to decide when to post. She had to track the results. So even after using AI, Emma was still tired. This is where Agentic AI enters Emma's story. Now, instead of asking only for advice, Emma gives the AI a clear goal. She says, "Help me increase sales this weekend." The AI does not just reply with suggestions. It starts working like a smart assistant. First, it understands Emma's goal. It knows that Emma does not just want ideas, she wants more sales. So the AI checks her past sales data and finds which products sold the most, which products people viewed but did not buy. It also finds which items customers asked about the most and studies messages about discounts, delivery time, sizes, and new arrivals. Now the AI has context. It understands what Emma wants and what her customers are looking for. After that, it creates a plan. It suggests promoting her best-selling collection and offering a limited-time discount. It also suggests sending an email to old customers and posting 3 social media updates before the weekend. A normal AI would stop after giving the plan. Agentic AI goes one step further. It writes the email draft, creates social media captions, suggests ad copy, and prepares a simple campaign calendar. It recommends the best time to post and gives Emma a short report explaining why the campaign can work. Before anything is published, the AI asks Emma for approval. Emma checks everything and says yes. This is Agentic AI in action. Now, let's take a quick break and test what we have understood so far. What makes Agentic AI different from normal AI? Option A, it only gives faster answers. Option B, it understands a goal and takes action step by step. Option C, it only creates images. Option D, it only writes emails. Think about it for a second. The correct answer is option B. Agentic AI understands a goal and takes action step by step. After using Agentic AI for one campaign, Emma realized AI was not just a tool for quick answers anymore. It was becoming a skill she needed to understand properly. She wanted to know how AI agents work, how they use tools, how prompts are designed, and how workflows are automated. She also wanted to learn how humans can safely control AI actions. A certification can help learners build structured knowledge, prove their skills, and become more confident while applying AI in real-world work. That is when Emma explored Simplilearn's AI certification programs. Through Simplilearn's Agentic AI certification, Emma learned the important skills needed to work with modern AI tools. She learned how AI systems understand prompts, how automation workflows are created, and how AI can support business tasks. She also learned how human approval and guardrails make AI safer. Every week, Agentic AI helped her manage her workflow. It checked her sales report, suggested product promotion, and prepared social media content. It created email drafts, reminded her to launch campaigns, and checked what worked after the weekend. If one product sold well, it suggested promoting it again. If one email did not perform well, it suggested a better subject line. If customers kept asking the same question, it suggested adding that answer to the website. That is the real meaning of Agentic AI. It can understand a goal, make a plan, use tools, take action, and improve the result step by step. Normal AI mostly gives answers. Agentic AI works toward outcomes. Emma's normal AI gave her advice, but Emma's Agentic AI helped her move from idea to action. If Emma was a student, Agentic AI could create a study plan, give practice questions, track progress, and suggest revision. If Emma was a marketer, Agentic AI could plan campaigns, write content, check performance, and improve future campaigns. If Emma was a software developer, Agentic AI could help write code, test it, find bugs, and explain errors. Wherever there is a goal, steps, tools, and repeated tasks, Agentic AI can help. But Agentic AI should not work without limits. If AI can take action, then it needs clear rules. It should not send important emails, spend money, delete files, approve payments, or make big decisions without human permission. The AI can prepare the campaign, but Emma approves it. The AI can suggest a discount, but Emma decides if it is right. The AI can write an email, but Emma checks it before sending. This is the safe and responsible way to use Agentic AI. For Emma, Agentic AI became more than a chatbot. It became a smart business assistant. It helped her save time, reduce manual work, plan better campaigns, and focus on bigger decisions. With the right certification, she gained the skills to use AI more confidently and professionally. And now you can also do the same. Build the right AI skills, learn how modern AI systems work, so the next time you hear the term Agentic AI, remember Emma's story. We have explained the importance of Agentic AI and how it can help people move from ideas to action. We hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more easy explanations from Simplilearn. Thanks for watching!